Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM, is a 3D printing technology that is widely used in the manufacturing industry. It is a process that involves the creation of a three-dimensional object by depositing layers of material, typically plastic, in a specific pattern. The process starts with a digital model of the object, which is then sliced into thin layers. The FDM machine then heats the plastic material to a semi-liquid state and extrudes it through a nozzle, layer by layer, until the object is complete. FDM is a popular choice for manufacturing because it is a cost-effective and efficient way to produce complex parts with high accuracy and precision. It is also a versatile technology that can be used to create a wide range of objects, from small prototypes to large-scale production parts. FDM is particularly useful for creating parts with intricate geometries, such as those found in aerospace, automotive, and medical applications. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom plastic parts using FDM technology. The company has a team of experienced engineers and technicians who work closely with clients to design and produce high-quality parts that meet their specific needs. Berkness Company has invested in state-of-the-art FDM machines that can produce parts with high accuracy and precision, ensuring that clients receive parts that meet their exact specifications. If you are interested in learning more about FDM and how it can benefit your manufacturing needs, Berkness Company is the perfect place to start. The company has a wealth of experience in FDM technology and can provide you with the guidance and support you need to get started. To learn more about FDM and how Berkness Company can help you, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. The team at Berkness Company is always happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM, and how does it work in manufacturing? Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM, is a 3D printing technology that uses a thermoplastic filament, which is melted and extruded layer by layer to create a 3D object. The filament is fed through a heated nozzle and deposited onto a build platform, where it cools and solidifies. FDM is widely used in manufacturing for prototyping, tooling, and production of end-use parts. 2. What are the advantages of using FDM in manufacturing? FDM offers several advantages in manufacturing, including the ability to produce complex geometries, reduce lead times, and lower costs compared to traditional manufacturing methods. FDM also allows for customization and iteration, as changes can be made quickly and easily to the digital design before printing. 3. What are the limitations of FDM in manufacturing? While FDM is a versatile and cost-effective manufacturing technology, it does have some limitations. FDM parts may have lower strength and durability compared to parts made using other manufacturing methods, and the surface finish may not be as smooth. Additionally, FDM is limited in the types of materials that can be used, as it requires materials that can be melted and extruded through a nozzle. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.